Okay, curious to see if our YouTube stream will work or not. Oh, seems that it is working. Nice. Very nice. Hello, Axel. I'm just checking if YouTube stream is working, and it is. Cool. So we are live on YouTube, Twitch, and should be on Kick as well. I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you, Axel. Okay. Yep. Nice. YouTube stream is working. Let me check out Kick. Should be up and running as well. We'll see in a second. Oh yes, it's working. Cool. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Anyways, so today it's time for just quick coworking live stream. That's what we do, you know. What are you going to do today? Onboarding. I have, let me share. I'm a little short on screens, but hopefully it will work out. Okay, I will, maybe I can miss some chats, hopefully not, but let me see. Let me try to move things around. Hopefully I will see all the chats. Create a dashboard, stream. Okay. Kind of working. Fine. And let's try to share the screen. Oh, that works as well. Cool. Good, good, good. So, today I'm working on my mini habits application, and I little bit demolished my okay, hi Zone. Hello, hello. I little bit demolished my onboarding. I've been watching a ton of your YouTube videos since we last spoken. Oh, nice, nice. Hope you found something useful. I'm kind of trying, yeah, to share basically what works for me, what doesn't, and yep. Hopefully that was at least interesting, if not useful. Let's see if we can find some less psychedelic soundtrack. Probably this will be better. Okay, so we are here already onboarded and going straight to the paywall, which doesn't work for some reason on simulator, but hopefully that's just simulator. Let's delete application and start over. Yes, let's delete. Let's start over. I just want to basically check out what do we have on the onboarding now. So it's kind of all over the place. I like the bold text. That looks nice. I think it's kind of cool. This progress bar and skip on top kind of eh. And color scheme is kind of questionable as well. I don't know. I like it, but it doesn't match the rest of the app. And yeah, we are getting over the board a little bit. Not over the board, but it's kind of little bit kind of messy. Copy your daily mood booster and simple guide to building habits that stick. Why mood booster? That's basically all my fault because I didn't give exact instructions to the AI which generated this onboarding flow, but whatever. I can't complain, right? And I don't like this basically animations. That's what's going on here in between screens. That's bad. A little bit too much Gen Z maybe slang. Vibe, blah blah blah. Vibe check again. Basically, this part is kind of okayish, but implementation is bad. So actually, I like nothing from this onboarding. So we will just nuke it and change. This was Hedens. Do you deactivate your Twitch account when you don't stream? Do you what do you mean by deactivate? No, my Twitch account is, I don't know. It's survival online, basically. I don't know how you can else tell about Twitch, but basically here is my Twitch channel. I don't even know what do you mean by deactivate. So here it is. I don't find you in search week later. Interesting. I have no idea. No, it's I don't know. I have 6,000 followers on Twitch. I have no idea. On search. Oh, here it is, Ivers Meyers. It shows it for me. Basically, I didn't do anything to somehow deactivate it or something. I don't know. Yeah, we are live on Twitch. We are live on Kick. We are live on Twitch and YouTube. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of active everywhere, and yeah, I don't know why. Didn't do any activation. Okay, so basically those were changes where they are. Wrong project, this project. Oh, do we have those changes already committed or what? Ah yeah, that's new branch. Oh yeah, those are already committed. Okay, whatever, we can just switch back to the main branch. I don't like this implementation. Let's go back to the historical implementation, and I still probably will not do onboarding basically kind of on my own, but probably will just ask probably cursor to adjust it, but let's decide what exactly we would like to see here. So onboarding, let's take a look on preview. My back hurts a little bit. Probably I need better chair. But we will survive for, I don't know, maybe an hour. Hello. Hey, Romania. Oh, I was in Romania in spring. Yeah, in March. In Bucharest. That was cool. Very interesting. Bloody history and yeah. Interesting city, interesting history. Okay, here we have, that's basically my current onboarding flow. I want to remove, okay, let's start right down what I would like to do. Can I get some note drafts? Okay, basically we should remove push notification request from onboarding. That is going away. Okay, we will not move forward here. Okay. Also, we don't need name request in onboarding. That slows down process. Okay, let's build to see the onboarding. So currently we will stuck on this screen because it is triggered. We're moving forward from this screen only when user hits allow or don't allow on push notification request. Oh, hey Igor. Long time no see. How are you doing? Oh, okay, we need to remove up again to get onto the onboarding flow. Delete. Launch. Okay, this is kind of okay-ish screen. This one we will remove. Not so good. But you published a new app. That's good. That's already good. Just publish a new app, we'll see how it will go. Yeah. Okay, fingers crossed. Hopefully that will go well, yeah. It's always, you know, kind of mixed feelings with new app launch. Because yeah, it's kind of relieved that it is done and out into the market. But yeah, it's also kind of, you have to worry about what will basically happen next. So I kind of happy about this animation, was happy about this animation so far, but the thing is that this screen in iOS 26 will look different, and yeah, it will not work so well. So I should change it anyways, and now I think that asking for push notifications in onboarding, it's kind of a little bit too early. I don't want to do that. So we would like to ask still what we would like to improve. Health and fitness, let's say productivity. Commit to growing, commit to streak. This one is kind of probably also too early. Hey Ruel, hello. Okay, those screens are kind of okay-ish. This screen is okay-ish. I mean, promote in threads. So my app was published in yesterday. What you recommend? Start promote, maybe no. Yes, sure. App Store push basically changes nothing for you. first of all, there is the thing that I heard from few creators, app developers, that App Store push is not happening anymore for some reason. Maybe Apple just changed their algorithm, you know. And yeah, there is no reason basically to wait for anything. Yeah, sure, you can basically just ask. Make sure your app will ask for ratings. Yeah, of course, definitely do that. Ask for ratings. Yeah, I can't come up with any reason to do not start promoting it, you know. For some, the App Store boost is still here. So yeah, it's kind of mixed information. I heard that some build, release a new application, didn't see any boost, but anyways, even if you have it in in long term, that's basically change nothing. Oh, no worries, yeah. Just go with that. Oh, hello, hey Paul. Missed a couple of streams. Yeah, but you get records, it's all good, right? Yeah, exactly. Basically, there is no cons from basically promoting and getting kind of more views, downloads for your application. Just go for it, yeah. And yeah, you are doing, I think that content that you are creating is interesting, and at the same time you are promoting your applications. I personally think you are doing very well with content marketing. Yeah, just go for it, yeah. It's good, yeah. Hey, Denmark. welcome to the stream. Hello, Werner. From some friends I understood that a big hype moment with an app is kind of remembered by App Store algorithm, so you still rank higher even if the hype goes away. Yeah, yes, that maybe so, yeah. Okay, it kind of works fine. I am a little bit worried about paywall without prices, but let's assume that's Xcode configuration thing. How life is in my new location. It's warmer, definitely warmer. It's good. It's going well. Thank you. Drinking some fancy red lemon soda. No, pink lemon soda here. So different drinks, not kvass anymore. But yeah, good. Okay, so basically I have, let's do a chance to the cursor. Are you planning to make the room as cool looking as previous one? I don't know. So the previous apartment was cool itself. This one is less fancy. Are you back in Riga? No, Igor. I'm in Bangkok. I'm in Thailand right now. It's 11 at night already here. Okay, so let's do things. So those are notes what I wanted to. And so I will just dictate, do not write. So what are we going to do? So we need to create new branch and do changes for onboarding in it. So we will, how did you do new line here? No. No. Control, Option enter, Shift enter, Control enter, no. Shit, no. Stop. Option enter, no. How do you do a new line in Control enter? No. What the hell? How can I do new line here? I tried Control, I tried Option. Command enter will not beat. Oh, what was that? That's just send. Okay, whatever. Let's go without new lines. Doesn't matter. Enter only? No. What the hell? What's going on? Okay. Control A, Command X. I will try here. Maybe that's because we are on the top. Control G sometimes. Let's try Control G. That's nothing. Let's try Control Enter again. Control Enter. I don't know what's going on. It just really wants to work on this task. I use Cloud Code, but it is Cloud. Oh, it's cursor. Okay. Oops. Same thing, but whatever. Okay. I will just go without new line. I don't know what else I can do here. What's going on? Can I select and delete? Is it me, drunk from soda? It's Shift Enter. Shift Enter. Let's try. Let's try again. I'm pressing Shift Enter. Yes. Thank you, Jamie. That was Shift Enter. Exactly. Are you still in Thailand? Oh, yes, I am. Yeah, text should be here on the bottom, but basically I started to edit it, then I hit enter by mistake, and you can basically just go on the top and basically edit it again. So that was why we are on the top. Okay, so I'm copying this one. We don't need name request and onboarding, slow down process, remove push notification request, and I would like to go, there was GitHub, is it somewhere in my, what's going on with my neck? Okay, let's just go to the GitHub. It was something like GitHub Adam, paywall, not paywall. Something like Adam. No, he had onboarding flow. Oh, here it is. Probably this one. No, not really. Oh, this one. Yes. Okay. Basically, I would like to use Adams. And let's use this GitHub project for inspiration to basically copy all the onboarding animations and flow from this one. Okay, so we would like to use Adam's onboarding, but we will need, so how it looks like, I already forgot. I was looking on it on the morning, so here's the video. Yeah, here we have on the very first screen ratings. So we should use ratings from current onboarding flow. We already have them in it. So we are showing ratings. Basically, we will have that. And then we will... okay, this is not the same thing, but whatever. We will do something about... yeah, whatever. That will work. Okay, I will give this task to Cursor. We'll see what we will get in result. Okay, what I'm missing from the chat. Hey, hello, I'm doing well, thank you. Keyboard, oh, that keyboard auto answer is a little bit off. Current keyboard is Digma Defi. Are you implementing new glass? Kind of yes and no. But implementing new glass designs, that's basically is removing custom things from the app. So this app, for example, so this application, for example, has custom tab bar. See, I basically will need to remove it. It is already kind of glassy for last 2 years, but I will change it to the new glass, you know. So that means basically removing it. Is it split keyboard? Yes, dude, it is. It's kind of, I have 2 of them. I'm not great typing on it. I'm kind of more or less okay, but sometimes when I need shortcuts, for example, I don't know, something like Control, Command, Shift 4, whatever, you know. I just can't do that on this keyboard. I want 5 stars from Thailand. Yeah, sure, you'll get it. Post your app link in community. I definitely will go and download it and rate. But currently I'm on beta version, so it will not allow me to leave rating. But eventually, can you write the model? It's it is just like you heard, Digma Defi. Digma Defi, like that. This one. I have white and I have English and yeah, they're kind of pricey. And I have wireless and I have that tenting thing, so it's something like and I have that underglow as well, so it's something like 600 euros. I don't know where it is. View my chart. Yeah, it's something like $600. I am not so crazy. I didn't buy it. I got it gifted by that company, and yeah, that's I have it and use it. Yeah, didn't spend a single cent on it, but it's kind of cool. Would I buy it for 600? Yeah, it's pricey. It's super pricey. It's nice, but I'm not sure if it is 600 euros nice. So I already have it charged, so I can basically unplug it, and then it looks even more fancy, you know. That glowing is nice, colors are nice, and basically you can change color schemes as well. They have application for that. That's kind of crazy. It's cool keyboard, but those split keyboards they're not cheap. And I am kind of more or less use it to type with it, but yeah, shortcuts still. And I am typing horribly bad on any keyboard, so it's not just this one. I'm very bad typer on any keyboard. Hey Ori, hello. Hey, hey. Okay, so did you got the changes? Inspected current onboarding flow. Okay, remove it. Push notifications. Cool. Breathing goals, commitment. Why do we have breathing here? I don't know. Am I in the right project? Yes, I am. Okay, it's a little bit confusing. Okay, whatever. Let's try to build and see whatever we got here. So we are not in this app. We should be in this app. Leo P BBC Proms 2017. What? Maybe later. So we're promising that's something good, right? Okay, we're getting a bunch of errors. Let's try just to build it here. Preserving order. Which app I'm working? Currently I'm working on the habit tracker. I'm getting notifications from Discord. Let's see. Do not spoil any DMs. Oh no, those are just announcements. Why we have so many announcements? Okay, that's YouTube live announcement. That's Twitch live announcement. This is Kick announcement. 3 times. Okay, okay. Yeah, for some reason Kick sometimes triggers announcement notifications more than once. That's weird. Hey Adam, hello. Oh, I'm doing well. Adam is asking, okay, I can translate, just asking how I'm doing in Thailand. It's good. Is it still good demand for habit trackers? It's, you know, hard to say. You can still get downloads. I don't know, that was app I wanted to build because I didn't found one in the App Store. Let me see. Demand is kind of eh. Let me open App Store Analytics. How expensive is to stream to more than one platform? Are you using Restream? No, I don't. Currently I'm using Ecam Live application, which works from Mac. It is okay, but I'm missing one more screen. If I will have one more screen, I will stream from PC. Then basically that's just plug in to stream to whatever destinations you want. How expensive it is? Sure, that is GPU kind of encoding for stream encoding, and internet speed expense. Basically your internet should be fast enough to stream to all the destinations if you do that from your machine. But yeah, it's I don't know, it's nothing crazy in this year. Okay, analytics, let's go to the analytics of the application. Small habits, okay, here we are. It's nothing crazy, but current analytics for my habit tracker basically are like that. So it's about 8,000 impressions, 200 downloads in last 30 days. Nothing much, but you know, conversion rate is horribly bad. That should be improved, right? And also onboarding flow is not great because we are converting not too many users to the paying customers. So we are working on fix for that right now. So I think first we should fix this leaking bucket, fix onboarding to convert more users. And then we should work on conversion rate to convert more impressions to downloads, and then again we can double down on marketing to get more impressions. So that's how I see that should work. Is there demand for applications like that? Yes, at least some. It's definitely not the project to start if you're looking for, I don't know, quick wins and so on. But if you see that you would like to build habit tracker, which is maybe a little bit different than any other habit trackers in the market, and you see that, okay, yours is at least somehow different than all of the other habit trackers, so yeah, it still makes sense to build one. Daniel, hello. Okay, let's try to build the project to see if that will work. Habit tracking space is saturated. Yes, I agree. Yeah, definitely agree. Okay. What's happening here? Oh, we have plenty of errors here. Add to chat. It is. I will not recommend to start anyone to basically build habit tracker. Is it possible to make money by developing habit tracker today? Yes. Is it easy? Definitely no. But I don't know, it's kind of, there are so many niches which are already saturated, you know. For the first app, I think something more niche like the freediving app is better. Yeah, but again, that niche is also already saturated. It's very smaller niche, and it is already very saturated because there is my application, there are a few more applications, and there are plenty of copycats who basically trying to copy whatever I'm doing. So I think if you don't have original idea and if you are looking to build something that already exists, like free-dying application or habit tracking application or whatever other application, then you have bigger chances going into the bigger niche where there are more users, more money. Too much supply. Yeah, but still, you will see downloads every new year, you know. I think to copy some apps with little bit of improvement from my side, maybe catch some users from for beginning. What is what is your goal doing that? Copying other applications and changing something a little bit. So if you will just make it pink, basically habit tracker but with blackjack, that will not work. It should be really better, you know. To make it better, you should really understand the problem that you are solving. And if you understand the problems that you are solving, you can basically build good application without just copying someone, you know. Nah, I don't think it's kind of good way to go. My app is in motivation quote space. Yeah, that should be crowded, yeah. Default is I'm just testing GPT-5. It's currently default. I don't know. I didn't use Cursor for maybe months. So GPT is new. I am trying it. Before I used Cloud. Interesting. Cloud 3.5. Probably Cloud 4. Oh. I don't even remember, but I remember that I used max mode sometimes. Whatever. Oh, actually auto is an interesting option as well. What will happen if I will switch to auto? Yeah, you never know. I don't even remember which I used last time. It was Cloud 4 probably. Yeah, but now I'm using ChatGPT just to see how it works, you know. Where I can find opportunities for students, since most companies on LinkedIn don't hire students. I don't know what's happening now, you know, by hiring and so on, but previously there were plenty of hackathons and so on. I would go to those, you know, but companies basically were organizing hackathons. That was kind of nice way to get in eyes of them. I got my first relatively big iOS project, just also kind of winning one of the hackathons. That was working for me. I published another app, but I'm not ranking for any of my keywords yet. It's been a week. Yeah, get downloads to rank for sure, but it's kind of, yeah, I don't know. Cloud 4, yeah, probably. Hey, Mikhail. What do you think about Adam Light's advice that onboarding should be explanation of how the app works, but congratulations? Oh, onboarding never should be explanation how app works. That's basically right approach. I can tell, I basically just kind of playing around with paywall. I can show you, okay, I don't have it here yet. So basically, when I changed paywall for one of my applications, which is like that, when you basically start, it's basically saying, okay, those are results that we are trying to get for you. Then I'm kind of asking user already start up use application. Then I'm basically already kind of preparing personalized training for the user, and then I'm showing onboarding, basically, sorry, not onboarding, but paywall. That onboarding basically significantly improved my initial conversion to pay from, free users to paying customers. That's the right approach. Adam is not wrong. I'm telling the same thing for a while ago already. Download my free diving application and take a look on onboarding if you want to see my approach. Basically, that's the same. I have that paywall for, I don't know, 6 months already, and it works well. Okay, did we build it? What are we getting here? Okay, that's the app. Let's delete the app. Basically, I'm looking how to build something more or less similar for my habit tracking application as well, because onboarding wasn't great in it. Oh my gosh, it doesn't look good, but okay, whatever. This one looks kind of bad, but okay. Here we need to show ratings. Okay, it seems that I basically will need to draw my onboarding basically by hand and give example. It's kind of not getting exactly what I'm asking, but okay, whatever. Okay, this part looks exactly as it was, that's fine, but okay, we're repeating ourselves. Okay, my prompt was weak, obviously, so I will need to basically draw it by hand, maybe sketch something. Okay, let's try to push a little bit more. So the first screen should look like that. We should have ratings on the very first screen, and ratings should animate and basically scroll from right to left to show next ratings. Please take a look on example screenshot. So that's what we want to have in the first screen. Second screen, I don't know what should be on second screen. Yeah, second and third screen. Okay, that's not really relative, but I know where I can take a look on that. I can look on screenshots, screen design. I can take a look on screen design for more examples to show what I like. I would like to get some result today, but avoid sketching those onboarding screens by hand. Let's take a look on some decent onboarding. Alpha Novel. You don't use Cloud Code? I tried a few days ago. It kind of works. But I don't know, it kind of feels totally hands off basically programming when you do almost nothing. And I'm not sure if you can drop images with design examples in the terminal. I don't think you can. I may be wrong, I just tried it for one coding session. Kalimoto motorcycle roads. Oh, that's interesting. You can drop images in Cloud Code. Okay. In terminal, or you're using something else, not terminal? I use it. I don't know how modern day web coders are using it. I just used it in the macOS built-in terminal, and I don't think you can drop images in terminal. I don't know. Do you got the route of having the entire app locked behind the paywall, or only certain features? I'm working on app. I usually have freemium application. Basically, you can use it for free, but some features are behind the paywall. Did you make any money off the app yet? Yes, I did. It's a new app. Which is the new app? The habit tracker, it's made not much, but in this month, $17 so far. But it is any money, right? How do you decide what features are free and what are... I don't know, it depends on app, right? You can't just in general say, okay, so if you're using some, let's say, some API which costs money, so sure, that will be behind paywall, right? Otherwise, I don't know. You're making it look easy. Can we do this too? Of course, everyone can do that. It's not hard. You build apps, you do marketing, you earning money. This one kind of looks interesting. The tricky part is that many developers kind of expect that they will build application, release it in the App Store, and then basically money rain. It's unfortunately, but it is not working like that. So I don't know, let's look for some habit maybe tracking application just to steal some ideas. Habit tracker, habit tracking. Okay, let's go for AI search and look for habit tracking. Oh, interesting. Cringe-free ADHD app. I like. That's basically copy-paste from Duolingo, which is not a bad thing. Duolingo is a good example. Interesting. This application captured my attention because I am classic ADHD head. I would like to see what they are doing on onboarding. Let's watch. Why it's on pause? Okay, it's what was that? Stop. What was that? Why did we jump like that? What just happened? Let's go to the beginning. Oh, that's beginning? Is that onboarding? That's not onboarding. What's going on here? Is it? That's kind of weird looking onboarding. Oh, hey Rares, hello. Do you block the features after free trial ends? Let's say free users can add only one habit, but when they activate free trial, they create more after trial ends. No, I do not try really hard. I don't really try really hard to basically catch all the free users. In that case, you know, this one is good application actually. So if that would cost money to me, I would act differently, you know. But if it is habit tracking application, okay, that user will add whatever, 10 habits, I don't know. Should I really punish this user? Probably. Maybe I should, but I don't do that. You can also use copy and paste images into terminal, but you have to use control. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know, honestly. I don't remember if I tried copy paste images in the terminal. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, interesting. Oh, sorry. Burpees. Interesting, they are asking for push notifications straight forward on the first screen. What? That's so dumb. This is actually a really nice habit tracking application, but I'm not sure I like onboarding. Good morning from Colombia. Good morning, Daria. It's getting late here, but cool. Okay. Similar apps. Okay, that I didn't like. Plan, focus, to do. No, let's take a look on this habit tracker. I would like to steal some days. Okay, this one definitely doing something right. 65,000 revenue. What was habit? Less, but also good numbers. 65,000K, 20,000 installs. That's monthly. That's monthly, not yearly. I will be happy to get that amount of installs and money in a year from habit tracker, to be honest. Yeah, they're doing that in a month. I assume there will be quite longish onboarding flow, we'll see. Okay, we're just waiting. Animations, nice. The best time to start is now. A little bit cliche, but yeah, that's true. So what's new? Oh, I don't know, nothing. Nothing comes in mind. You're about to take the first step in changing your life. Let us give you through it. Yeah, it's a little bit inspiring. By continuing, you agree on terms of service, blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah, Adam, you're right. Thank you. Can we get a little bit likes? A few likes on the stream. Could be cool. We have 10. And 49 people are watching across all the platforms. I guess that Steam is... No one is watching us on Kick. That's just sad. 13 on Twitch. And yeah, most of you guys are on YouTube. Trying to find like button. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, I think this first screen is looking great. We could make it even better. You need to be promoted more. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. I like copy on this screen. Basically, that's the best time to start is now. That's kind of, it's, I don't know, it's kind of a little bit cliche, but it's true. And What time you usually wake up? Not related to my habit tracking application. What's your energy level throughout the day? I don't really. My focus is not on energy. It's more like, I don't know, ADHD brain. This one is good, actually. How satisfied you are with your current lifestyle? You know, it doesn't really do anything useful. But the thing is that in this case, you basically kind of reminding the user about his pain points, you know. Basically, it's basically saying, oh, not at all, I don't like my lifestyle, I want to change it, you know. You kind of remind the user about pain in his life, and you're going to solve this pain with your application, right? That's kind of smart move. And then, yeah, do you procrastinate? Yeah, yes, I do, and I want to change it. Again, reminding about pain. Do you find hard to focus? Again, I can promise you that that's basically do nothing in the application. Okay, I don't know, but generally, we're just highlighting pain points. What do you expect? I want to build. Yeah, that's your goals. So I have something similar in my application. I'm asking about goals, but I'm not reminding about pain. And that's kind of good thing to catch from this onboarding flow, actually. It's not just, you know, tricks to convert user to, I don't know, to paying customer. It helps, but it also kind of helps with motivation. So, I don't know. No harm here, you know. And yeah, of course, we're building personalized program. Sure, of course, based on all the questions and bumps paywall. Exactly. Yeah. That's how you do onboarding. That's why this application has 65K in revenue. Brilliant. So what should we steal from this paywall? I should steal basically, not exactly copy paste everything, but basically that energy level I do not care much, but I care much about, are you happy with your current life? Would you like to change? Do you procrastinate? Basically those screens I would like to steal. Those are good. Those are good. You have a great stream, low learning from you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. This basically is really nice, clear paywall, and we can understand why it works, you know. We just remind user about the pain points. We promise that, okay, we are going to solve it for you. And bumps, paywall. Oh, would you mind to start free trial? Okay, you do. Okay, and here is choose your habits. Basically, I do already. I'm kind of preparing already kind of habits. Is your monitor 4K? No, it is not. My monitor is 5K. Choose your first habit. I have something similar. Yeah, and we should show those kind of streaks early in the app. Okay, that's not part of the onboarding. It kind of is, yeah. I do not show that. I should show those kind of pop-ups for. Yep. Okay, so we should show ratings on the very first screen. So on screens 2, 3, we will remind about pain points to the user. I will just copy this one. I like this approach. I will change that copy later, basically. But something similar to this one. Okay. Do you often procrastinate? That is a good question. Are you ADHD diagnosed? Actually, I should go and try to diagnose myself just to know if I have it or don't. Otherwise, I think I have, but I'm not sure. Then we should ask. That will be basically screen 4. On screen 4, we will ask. On screen 4, we should ask about goals, what user would like to achieve using habit tracking application. Use attached screenshots for inspiration. Let's stick with current app, team, and design. And we already have following screens to select what are goals user would like to achieve. Something like that. Let's see how that will go. Your setup is very satisfying. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. You know, I'm spending most of the day here, so it's better to be comfortable and look nice, you know, because that's where I'm spending most of my day. How do you check revenue of other apps? I am using the screen design. Actually, if you will go to the live stream, if you will go to the description, can we go to my channel? If you will go to my channel, we'll go to the live stream. Probably this is current one. Yeah, live stream. Oops, sorry. Go description. And here is secret discount code for this product. Use it or not use it, whatever, but basically if you're looking to get this screen designs kind of app, you can get discount. And here you see all the onboarding flows, all the screens, revenue, similar applications, and so on. It's nice. This split keyboard is Defi. I just closed the task, yeah. Defi Digma. Yeah, it's good one. It's good one, Daniel. It's as you see, I'm using it basically all the time. It helps for design research. There is another one, Mobin, but I'm paying for Mobin as well. But I basically this is new one product, and in my opinion, it is better than Mobin. So I still have that yearly subscription for Mobin, but I'm using this one now. Yes, it is, and especially, you know, like in this case, when you're thinking, okay, what should I do in the onboarding flow, you know, and then you're kind of going to looking at other applications, and I'm not saying you should copy them screen by screen, but the thing is that if this application making shitload of money and they have a team of designers, probably they tested a lot of paywalls, a lot of onboarding flows, a lot of screens. That's not only for onboarding, that's basically for all the screens in any application. So you can go and look for designs what you like to use. For example, you can go to the search and say you look for whatever. Paywall, tutorial, progress bar, login screen, settings. Settings is just most boring screen in every application, but you can still go and look what you can find, you know. So yeah, basically, okay, settings screens in many different applications, you know. Settings button, settings page, whatever, you know. User interface elements, screen types, yeah, plenty of stuff. Also App Store screenshots. It's a great tool. It's really great tool. It's getting easier every month to do this job, you know, as indie developer. Okay, we are getting some changes in progress. We'll see what will be the result. Oh, 10 minutes to midnight. I expect that we will get something half-baked. It will probably look like halfway where I would like to be, but I probably will stop at some moment soon, just because it's almost midnight and I have to wake up for my morning run at about 6 o'clock. Not that I have to, but I prefer to. I kind of like to wake up early on mornings. Okay, let's build to see how it looks like. And yeah, cloud code probably could basically work, do the same. Error. But I don't know, I am not familiar with it yet. And at this moment I probably could use cloud code, you know, because I do not really do anything in Cursor, in editor, but I kind of like that I can jump into the writing code, but yeah, you can also kind of use cloud code with Xcode. Yeah, I don't know, just for now probably Cursor is just habit. Okay, let's switch playlist. Just because why not? This one is a little bit less sleepy, let's say so. The filter blockade. Filter blockade. I missed the point. Probably I'm sleepy already. Okay, is it changed? Let's try one more time. Paywall screen website. Okay, filter. Okay, if you try to post link or something, yeah, you can't post links in the chat on YouTube. The problem is that we had a lot of spam bots coming on stream and posting links with porn, which is nice from them, you know, but who don't have those links already, you know? It's nothing new and interesting, and it's a little bit distracting, you know? So no, it is so like that, you know? Yeah. Paywall screens website. Yeah, I know it. It's maintained by Supervals. It is good one. Yeah, it is good one. I know it as well, but that's for paywalls only. Supervals basically using it, maintaining it. And it's paywalls.com or something. Paywall screens. Not sure. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, it is this one. Yeah, it is by Superval, and I'm using Superval paywall in this specific application. So yeah, I know this one. This is great one, but that's only paywalls. And paywall is kind of nice to see, but you basically should see onboarding as well. So if you can find here, oh, this paywall is nice, whatever, stress swatch, then you basically can go and look for up and see how you get to this paywall. Because paywall just by themselves doesn't kind of really, it converts, but it's important to see what's happening before the paywall. You know, if you just see just this paywall, it kind of looks basically whatever, more or less like every other paywall, you know. Okay, what happened here? Will succeed, nice. Okay, where is my simulator? Okay. Okay, nice. This is nice. It's basically kind of scrolling throws the... still not where I wanted to be, but okay, already kind of looking better. Here we will put some nice image. It will work. Welcome to Small Habits. This is the simplest way to build life-changing routines. Okay. How satisfied you with your current lifestyle? Color scheme is totally off, you know, it's kind of, okay, it's orange, because I'm using oranges in the application. This is blue, then cards are not kind of really visible, but we are getting closer, you know. This text kind of didn't match the screen, but okay, whatever. Do you often procrastinate? Yes, and I want to change it. Those cards are far away from perfect, but what you would like to improve? Okay, health and fitness, productivity. I think this commit currently is a little bit off. But okay, whatever. And I think this one we can move forward in the onboarding flow. This basically should be in the first screen. Okay, it's kind of, it's better, but not perfect. And here we have basically habit suggestions to start, basically based on what user selected in onboarding flow. This part basically works, but we need just polish design, make it look much better for first 3-4 screens. But I'm not doing that tonight, because that's more like manual work. I will do that in Xcode, but I will do that tomorrow. Maybe on morning, we'll see. Cursor become too expensive for me. I'm considering going back to VS Code Copilot. I didn't use much Cursor in last months, you know, because I didn't use it almost. But I paid something like that base, whatever it was, $20 fee, and I paid in last invoice additional 18 bucks, but I didn't use it much, you know. The biggest invoice, I don't think I'm not sure if I paid ever more than something like 60 bucks in a month, maybe, not more. But yeah, they are kind of making it more expensive. Who knows if I will use it full time? No, in September, then I don't know how much I will pay. I actually, okay, this one is okay-ish. I basically need nothing more from Cursor. This is kind of okay-ish. We will go, so why I like work more in the Xcode, because here you can basically, when you get this whatever very raw, ugly thing working, then you can just go into the Xcode, see previews, adjust them, and so on. And when I'm working with Xcode, usually I'm using the Alex sidebar if I want to get AI help. And it works kind of okay-ish with generally, and works decently well with the Xcode. Best course you've done in life. Best course did what I took, what I learned from. I don't know. I don't even, you know, I like Sean Allen's programming courses, but I think, yeah, that was what was good about widgets. What else? Whatever course I used when I learned programming and learned Swift, but that was, you know, far a while ago in 2014. Yeah. How you learn Swift? It was back in 2014, dude. It doesn't really matter anymore. There was something like bit fountain, bit whatever, bit something course. They had their own separate website for that. Bit fountain? I don't know. Bit fountain home. This should be probably very outdated. Yeah, it doesn't look like I remember. Page doesn't work anymore. Advanced, great about iOS 9 immersive. See? Core data immersive. So, oh, my courses. Can I log in? This page doesn't exist. Okay. So yeah, probably that doesn't really matter. All courses. So whatever was their first courses, Android immersive. So I think something like iOS 7 could be a lot what I learned from. Objective-C. So it's Objective-C still. Yeah, looks familiar. Yeah. Elliot. I don't know, it's good or it was good or something. I just basically remember that I learned it from this one. Maybe that was, oh, here it is, iOS 8 with Swift intro course. That should be this one. That should be this one. But you know, as I said, it doesn't really matter anymore because it was back in whatever, 2000. I don't know. For a while ago. Okay, guys. I am somehow happy with current progress. I know what I would like to build with in my onboarding flow. I know where I would like to move. And I think I can complete that relatively fast. Not this night fast, because again, it's midnight here already. But till the end of the week, let's say so. Because I would like to update paywall, I would like to update onboarding flow. And yeah, the release should be doable till the end of the week. We'll see. I don't know, not sure. We'll see. Okay, any last minute questions? I see that few of you didn't manage to hit the like button. That's okay. And yeah, this one is, I don't know, some local lemon soda. It's, I don't know, they write 0 sugar, but probably they're adding some chemistry. It's way too sweet for 0 sugar drink. Okay, no last minute questions. Then that's good night from me to you, and see you on the next stream. Okay? Okay, keep building. Good night.